Thutha wa kanitha wa Central SDA guku Nairobi gukora ugumiirwo ni githagathago kia utongoria, riu atongoria aguo ni meyumiritie na kuregana na uhoro ati kwina ngucanio ya utongoria. Makiaria hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro, atongoria aya ni mareganite na ikinya ria County Commissioner wa Nairobi ria kuhinga kanitha wa Central SDA guku mucii wa Nairobi, kuria maugite mitaratara ire yagiriire ndiarumirirwo kuna ta atongoria matiamenyithirio.
Without due process, the law requires that when you issue a serious decision like was done by Security Committee, they should have written that notice to us. We wrote to them asking them to serve us with such documents or communication. They didn't.
They didn't respect the constitution of the land. They neither did they respect the leadership of the church, and that is a concern we are raising, and they are aware.
Atongoria yani mongereire kuga ati aria marehete Ndugamano ino ti ya memba kanitha uyu ringi kuria maugite ni megukinyukia makinya ma kiwatho.
They are no longer members because the process that is supposed to make that happen, they did not want to follow that.
Those who are involved to open the church for the members to come and worship, if they do that, we have no problem.
Oho ni maugite mwaka muhituku hindi ya ithurano cia kanitha uyu ni marumireire mitaratara yothe ya ithurano o ati amemba aria marateta matire na umoro wothe, na oho makauga kungikinyaniria ati amemba aria meyamuranitie nao ni makwenda gucoka kanitha-ini uyu no muhaka watho na mitaratara irumirirwo.
In our church manual page 46 and 47 it is here. It allows someone to come back through baptism. There is no any other way. He has to go through the process and be taught again if he was not taught properly.
Kanitha uyu wa Central SDA wahingirwo muthenya wa jumamothi kiumia kihituku nundu wa ngucanio cia utongoria. Ngiribotira Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro, ni njitagwo Wanjiru wa Furu.